started with a belief many years ago, and today, together with all of you, we give that belief the strength of a movement. A lot of people ask me, "आप सिक्किम से नहीं हो, फिर भी why you chose Sikkim?" Actually, what happened was Sikkim chose us. We had a flagship training academy here, Skill Training Academy, pre-2021 for a few years. And we had done a fabulous job, and the government actually recognized that work. Across the world, Lehman Brothers went down and there was a huge crisis. White collar jobs were very limited in the country that time. A lot of relatives used to reach out to me कि हमने अपनी पढ़ाई कंप्लीट करी, हमसे यही पूछा जाता है मोस्टली कि भाई क्या आपने स्किल्स या कॉम्पिटेंसी है, क्या सॉफ्टवेयर जानते हैं, एंड वो मुझे यही बोलते थे कि ये हमें सिखाया नहीं गया कॉलेजेस। ये एक लोकलाइज्ड प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, दिस इज अ फार लार्ज प्रॉब्लम टू सॉल्व। गिव आवर नेक्स्ट fruitful years in serving the country, empowering the youth and creating a model where with the education they are getting, basically making education relevant. And with that, मैंने और कुलदीप ने डिसाइड किया कि मेधावी, जिसका मतलब है मेरिटोरियस, ब्रिलियंस, तो हमने उस फाउंडेशन की नींव रखी 2012 में। Those 10 years before the university, we had already impacted more than about 3 lakh students across the country with 250 plus training centers and working with 18 different state governments. That made us understand what are the needs of industry. और मैं अगर अपनी पर्सनल जर्नी के बारे में बताऊं, जब मैं IIT खड़गपुर में मैंने बीटेक प्लस एमटेक इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोग्राम किया, तो मैंने हमेशा ये देखा कि लोग प्रॉब्लम्स को कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं। एंड आई रियलाइज दैट यंग लोगों में टैलेंट की कमी नहीं है। वी वर ट्रैवलिंग अक्रॉस द कंट्री, बाय दैट टाइम द फाउंडेशन वाज ऑलरेडी इनकॉर्पोरेटेड। हमने छोटे प्रोग्राम से स्टार्ट किया, बट ओनली ऑब्जेक्टिव वाज दैट some kind of jobs it should lead to. And I also realized that the parents of the country, वो चाहते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे हायर एजुकेशन कंप्लीट करें, डिग्री कंप्लीट करें। And I realized that if we only do skill training, that will not bring that dignity and social respect, because India में हम बच्चों को पढ़ा लिखा तब तक नहीं बोलते हैं जब तक वो ग्रेजुएशन नहीं करते। So me and Kuldeep, it was a dream for us to actually start a university with a difference. And by that time, National Education Policy 2020 in COVID had just been announced. और वो डॉक्यूमेंट उस हमारे नेक्स्ट आने वाले डिकेड्स यूथ युवा का क्या डायरेक्शन होना चाहिए उसको कैप्चर करता है। एंड वी वर वेरी वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड एंड इंस्पायर्ड, एंड वी सेड दैट दिस इज द राइट मोमेंट, वी क्रिएट अ यूनिवर्सिटी विच विल बी स्किल फर्स्ट, विच विल एड्रेस to the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister to make India skill capital for the world, and we will lead the narrative of Skill First India. And then in 2021, the seeds of the university was sown, and the only questions which have driven us is how can we make the education more relevant, how to make the education matter again, how do we make the learning more meaningful, affordable. More than 70% of the faculties have come from outside Sikkim. And they agreed that we will do the unlearning and learn the model of a classroom delivery or a work-based delivery, which is actually competency-led, just not knowledge-led. It was our initial batch of 2022, 2023. These were mostly local students from very humble backgrounds. We made sure that we arrange scholarships from Government of India because we knew through our experience that what kind of funding is available. And I'm very proud that over the last 4 years, we have facilitated more than 4 crores of scholarship for our students from different government schemes, including Sikkim government. Over the last 5 years, Medhavi has become a national brand. Medhavi Skills University का नाम बहुत recognition से लिया जाता है, and I am proud of the entire Medhavi family who has made this possible. It's not just me or my colleague, my brother Kuldeep. It is the immense effort of Medhavians who work in different offices, university, and are contributing day and night. And we were determined that education would not end with a degree, it will begin with an opportunity. And I'm very, very happy to let all of you know that our initial batches which are passing out, we have secured more than 95% of placements School of Computer Science specially, which has secured 100% placement. सारे बच्चों को कंपल्सरी है कि वो अपने 3 से 4 साल के ड्यूरेशन में they are exposed to at least 4 to 6 months of internship twice. Because आज का जो generation है, they need motivation, logic, that if they are actually being taught something, what is the use of it? In the last 1.5, 2 years, what has happened is, and because we are implementing AI in our organization also, never ever in the history we had this opportunity. On a click of a button, it will give you the curated knowledge, whatever you want. You can access any form of knowledge, information through AI. It's the proven capability which the industries will reward. I am very proud कि आज हमारे यूनिवर्सिटी में ऐसे डेडिकेटेड क्लासेस होती हैं जिसमें बच्चों को ये बताया जाता है कि सब किस टाइप के करियर्स, किस टाइप के जॉब रोल्स अवेलेबल हैं, लोग अपने करियर में कैसे प्रोग्रेस करते हैं. एंड इंटायर करियर काउंसलिंग एंड करियर डेवलपमेंट सेल इज फुल्ली फंक्शनल. जो हमने एक चैलेंज लिया थी, वी हैव टू मेक श्योर आवर स्टूडेंट्स compete in global platforms like World Skills Competition, India Skill Competition. And for the 2 straight years, our students got medals in the India Skills Competition. One of the students, Radhika Chetri, represented India and Sikkim at the World Skills Competition in Taiwan. I am also thankful to not only faculty members and staff of the university, but the industry teams, our Gurgaon office team, the WISE team, what we call, where we are working with 300 plus industry partners. There are more than 15,000 such students who are actually currently pursuing their skill training and leading to bachelor in vocation programs with a government recognized degree as well as the work experience with the corporates. Government projects team working with 18 different states, and they have impacted the real backbone of the Medhavi group over the last 14 years. Our initiatives of the international division has also taken shape. We saw few of our students we've created that international migration pathway where our students are being trained on German language competency, Japanese language competency, and are securing jobs in Germany, Japan, Australia. Shatul Krishna का आपने एक वीडियो में देखा था. Earlier he was earning 25,000 rupees a month in an automotive technician kind of a role. और आज Mercedes Benz में उसको approximately 3 lakh rupees a month की compensation मिलती है. And the generations will thank it. This is the real value we are creating by really maximizing what our youth can actually achieve. India is young. India is living through a historic moment. We are the youngest large nations in the world, and we have a goal to become Viksit Bharat by 2047. Industries need talent more than ever. They do not need only the degree holders. They need the job-ready, adaptable, skilled and confident young people. And hence we have the narrative of Skill First India in the country. So the next 5 years for Medhavi Group will be very, very interesting. There are new universities being planned and incorporated. We have got approvals from few states. We will take our industry presence from 300 partners to almost 1,000 partners. We'll continue to innovate in skill-based education. Students, you are not just beneficiaries of this model, you are the proof that this model works. To all our industry partners who have believed in Medhavi model and keeping education connected to the realities of work. To all the government departments and ministries, bureaucrats who have supported in the vision for recognizing that India's greatest investment will always be in human capital. The real Medhavi story will be written in the next decade through our students, faculty, staff, alumni partners, and our collective courage to reimagine education for India. Let us commit that Medhavi will not only create graduates, Medhavi will create skilled professionals, confident young people, responsible citizens, globally employable talent, and future-ready Indians. Together, let us build a skill-first India and help make India the skills capital of the world as we move towards Viksit Bharat 2047.